Hi, let's take a short tour. The number of human bones is 206, or so. They are easily seen in the X-ray images and CT images. A file set of the CT contains the signal values of each voxel, which can easily converted into the surface models or voxel models like these. After the conversion from the medical images, the models are imported into this Minecraft world, trimmed, and assembled to build up a set of human skeletal system. What we see now are the bones of the arms, legs, and vertebral column. The models are added with more details at the level of anatomical textbooks which were unclear in the CT images. After the processing, the bones are assembled to make the joints between them, and eventually we can see a whole skeletal model lying on the field. The world file is going to be uploaded on a Minecraft Java server. Follow us.